हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एफपीएल गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड आई एम जॉइंड बाय वंस अगेन टू ग्रेटेस्ट एफपीएल मैनेजर्स ऑफ ऑल टाइम. आई वाज राइट, द ग्रेटर वन इज in fact Rahul Bhatia, who has
Yeah, he
absolutely
is.
killed it this week in FPL, in live, with the haircut and with his
With
team
the
Manchester United beating Liverpool at
and with
Anfield
the
in 10
jersey,
years.
man. I don't think
Look
this
at that
jersey
haircut.
ever looked so good on someone. जितना is, I think United, pre-shoots के
What a
लिए
guy.
जब वो shirt launch करते हैं ना, I think they should invite Bhatia साहब. He looks
What a guy.
sickening. What a guy, man. Yeah.
What a guy. Bhatia sahab, what a huge week for you, man. Bragging rights,
Absolutely, sir.
FPL bragging rights, the haircut again. Once again. Bragging rights
साल
there.
साल में एक हफ्ता आता है ऐसा जहाँ पे टीम थोड़ा ढंग का खेलती है. एफपीएल में तो there's nothing to write home about, but I'll take the good week and move on.
What about the haircut?
Yeah, no
That's
comment.
for you to enjoy. You're having more fun at my expense.
And
Not
it's for
fun,
you
like-
to enjoy as well, guys who are watching. So Bhatia
Yeah.
साहब के haircut के लिए make sure you do hit the like button.
Do comment, yeah. Do comment. How do
Do
if you
comment
like,
as well.
Yeah, please do comment.
FPL queries answer शायद ना हो, but Bhatia साहब के haircut related कोई सवाल हो तो बिल्कुल
We'll
answer
send
करेंगे.
you
So drop them in,
do
guys.
comment and we'll send you personal photographs for Bhatia sahab in this haircut.
I'm not sure about that. आपको किसके फोटोग्राफ मिलेंगे मनन से, but ठीक है, try कर लो.
I think it's a good point to start looking at our teams, guys.
Yeah.
And we'll start with the man himself, Bhatia Saab, who has
Again.
smashed it this week with
With his haircut and
65.
his team. अच्छा.
with 65 points. Bhatia Saab,
सर पहली बात तो
wow.
स्मैश डेट का मैं
Wow.
आपको स्मैश डेट का मैं मतलब बनाता हूँ. मेरा गेम वीक रैंक भी अच्छे से स्क्रीनशॉट में है, which is 3.6 मिलियन. 3.6 million हम स्मैश डेट बोल रहे हैं. Shows how far our standards have fallen. Even though we have Manan on our
Yeah.
pod, अपने स्टैंडर्ड तो ऊपर नहीं आ रहे. But
There's a
Yeah,
guy
give
who
it.
has who watches our pods who is India 27.
Yeah.
wow,
He was I think
He
1
can-
or 2 in India also पहले.
I
Yeah.
think he
So,
can
yeah.
definitely replace me from next week. उसको बात करते हैं
So
उनसे.
what he does is कि वो हमारे moves को opposite करता है.
Yeah.
It's I think a fair way to approach things. I feel.
Easy way to approach the game. Perfect.
Yeah.
तो कुछ ज्यादा है नहीं टीम में. हालैंड कैप्टन, आर्सेनल डिफेंस, ये पॉइंट्स देते हैं. और एक अच्छा पिक जो है, जो आई थिंक मैं चोपड़ा सर से इंस्पायर्ड होता है ग्रैनिट चाका. 4 to 5 points every week. Very solid pick. आप कोई भी फिक्चर में खिला सकते हो. Everything else is rubbish. सेमेन्यो 4.1 बहुत ही लकी असिस्ट मिल गया उसे. डिजर्व नहीं करता था. उसके लिए मैंने ब्रूनो को भेजा, which was like another 8-pointer there. That was pretty shitty, but overall, I think सबका week ऐसा ही रहा. It's a very middling week. Everyone's between
Until
60
unless
to
you are
70
bench
points.
boosted, yeah, bench boosted वालों के
Bench
88
boosted
points are that's it.
or if
Mateta.
you had Mateta.
Yeah,
Mateta smashed
Mateta.
it. Or the
Yeah.
likes of United midfield, Bruno and Mbeumo.
Yeah.
So otherwise सबके points इतने ही हैं, तो it's a small green arrow, so take it and run.
Yeah, I think Bhatia Saab, you can, I think, judge your transfers longer term, but I think they're solid moves. You got 10 points from Semenyo and Timber. आपने
Yeah.
जो भी moves करे, so they sort of worked out. I would say.
Yeah.
Longer term, they are solid moves. Xhaka is the best value pick in the game, man.
Yeah.
I feel.
Definitely, I think
insane.
he's
Insane.
like better than Caicedo for less of the price, so makes sense.
Yeah. Renders is irritating. थोड़ी आगे बात करेंगे. एक सवाल है आपसे जो मेरे था, which is कि did we overlook Dubravka this week?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
I
was about
think
this.
हम बात कर रहे थे अपने ग्रुप में. Only elite manager started Dubravka this week, and that clearly shows you and me are not one of the elite. So हमने तो consider भी नहीं किया सर. खिलाना तो दूर की बात.
नहीं. I know.
I mean 7 points
should
is a
have-
lot this week. That would have been a huge green arrow if you had started Dubravka.
Yeah.
ये
yeah.
छोटी
तो
छोटी
काफी
चीजें
बड़ा
सर
difference.
आपको elite manager बनाती है. We have a lot to learn.
Absolutely. The guy we have to learn from is the lowest scorer this week. उसकी टीम पे आएंगे. I got.
That was what I was about to say. जब मेरी turn आती तो thank you for mentioning that. Rakshit.
But he has a wild card left. So wild card के बाद तो भाटिया साहब obviously सबकी टीम improve ही होती है, right? We know that. Yeah. So 2 point कम है भाटिया साहब से. क्या फर्क है, मैं वही देख रहा हूँ. I have elite players like Paqueta in my
Paqueta.
team. क्योंकि
Yeah.
of course new manager bounce आना था West Ham का जो आया. Stinker. At least Defcon expect कर रहा था, but I think मनन कितने Defcon आए थे उसके? 8 या 9?
Nah, yeah, 8 or 9 yeah. Paqueta
No
did.
आए थे.
But problem is
Yeah.
वो बहुत आगे खेला, right? The role
हाँ.
actually
False 9
changed.
खेला. False 9
Yeah.
में कार्ड Defcon expect कर रहा है.
Yeah.
It's like what wherever he plays, he's a false footballer who does nothing, man. I don't know why I have a West Ham player. Fortunately, I have someone on the pod who has 2 West Ham attackers, जिसके बात करेंगे हम आगे. But already feels
जिससे
sick
हमें
owning
सीखना
him.
है.
जिससे हमें सीखना है.
this is आपने जो elite है.
Of course, मेरा elite transfer was Mbeumo to Semenyo. So that's Mbeumo scored, Semenyo got 1 assist, lucky assist. I had a feeling कि Mbeumo का ये वीक अच्छा होगा. I think हम बात कर ही रहे थे कि अच्छा मैच है,
Yeah.
but longer term move है. If you told me before the match कि Bournemouth will score 3 goals और Semenyo 1 assist देगा, 4 पॉइंट देगा सिर्फ, तो मैं बोलता possible ही नहीं है, because his involvement in Bournemouth goals is crazy, right? And he looked really good in the match.
Yeah.
He was pretty good. Xhaka is my favorite player in the team. The irritating bits were Pope in place of Dubravka. I think definitely something we overlooked. Although Leeds had a lot of chances, but I think Burnley are a team जो थोड़ा सा ना आपको illusion देंगी कि वो chances concede करा रही है and they'll keep clean sheets, etc.
Low XG
The
chances.
style of play ऐसे है. Yeah.
Also Leeds
So-
have Dominic Calvert-Lewin up front, so that also
Yeah,
makes
that's true. They will always have big chances and miss. So
Yeah.
that's irritating. I don't know where to start with Isak. आगे बात करेंगे. Reinders was extremely irritating. He had shots, but I think he has 7 blanks now. 2 returns in 9, 8, 1 return in his last 6 or 7 game weeks,
Yeah.
which was 1
And
assist, I think, against Arsenal
Away to Arsenal with bonus and DEFCON. So
with bonus and AFCON. Anomaly है, but longer term देखना पड़ेगा because इतने सारे अच्छे value picks are around that range. There is no justification to have him over, let's say, Caicedo, for example. But I don't know. Arsenal defense worked out, so Van Dijk to Timber was fine. Romero, irritating because warm up में he got injured. Adductor injury थी, manage कर रहा था, doubt था, बताया ही नहीं किसी ने. So उसकी जगह 1 pointer from Goodmundson आया, Tarkovsky 3 on the bench. NDI, who was superb by the way, was on my
He's
bench with 4
really good.
points. He was really good. Very very lucky कि उसने return नहीं करा और हमारी bench पे था. Looked really good. And Alexander Isak. João Pedro is another player जिसकी बात करनी चाहिए हमें. Chelsea are scoring goals and he's still not even close to getting involved. Doesn't
But
even
he
look
was
good on the
involved
eye
in the
test now.
celebrations. He was involved
Celebrations
in the
mein he was heavily involved. Reinders was
Yeah.
involved in celebrations. He was celebrating
Yeah.
Haaland goals
even
on
off the bench,
which was
even
nice.
off the bench.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Bhagwa
think
he
भी
will
आया
be
था.
involved even more this week, as per your
Yeah.
prediction.
like, but I also feel कि next season से FPL should announce थोड़े positions ये points के change ना. I think off the bench players, if celebrating, should also get 1 extra point.
Yeah. 0.5 points
Sir,
or something. For celebration.
you have access to the cartel app. Feedback दे सकते हो.
आप कर
I-
सकते हो feedback दे
I just
सकते हो.
wanted your guys' feedback first, right, before I pitch this to them. Yeah.
सर नहीं फर्क पड़ता हम लोग का feedback. No one cares.
Sir,
That
हम
is true.
useless है. So irritating week, but we move on. Let's go to you, Manan, the guy with the double West Ham attack.
Yeah.
We will ignore
And
all the
still-
other parts like Dubravka, Bruno, Timber, which was a clean sheet for you, and we'll only talk about the double West Ham attack.
Again, I have double West Ham attack. I still matched you guys. Only 1 point and 3 points behind you. Again, the biggest
That's why you're
loss was
elite.
obviously.
No, we
That's
have
the
elite
biggest-
strikers like Isak in our teams, right? So
Yeah, he's matching Bowen, right? And Bowen is matching Isak, so that's like that
Yeah,
negates, right?
elite players like Isak in our team, sir. हम हमसे आप कैसे अपने आप को कंपेयर कर सकते हो? हम तो वैसे ही मतलब थर्ड क्लास
He-
मैनेजर हैं.
Yeah, so again,
elite players of elite teams हैं. समझो आप जज्बात को.
yeah, I think थोड़ा नूनो पे भरोसा ज्यादा दिखा दिया मैंने. I thought कि international break है, थोड़ा time मिला होगा with the team, first home game.
Don't forget the
Right.
Bowen up top. He will play as one of the two.
False
Pakada
nine
in the
pocket of
10.
Bowen up top.
West Ham
Yeah.
will kill it.
It's
Yeah, all
time
of
to
those
get the
things.
other member of the two, like you said. Summer will lay out, triple
will lay-
attack, or João Pedro.
But
But-
again,
But
उससे बड़ा
sorry to
Yeah, yeah.
interrupt. वापस
Go on.
कर रहे हैं क्या इस बार हम लोग moment of silence for non-Gabriel owners?
I don't think so
I
because
think we can actually do that.
until and unless Gabriel scores a 17 pointer, and if I don't own him, that's the only. It was a 17 pointer that caused a moment of silence. It's not
Gabriel
10
के
to
last 4 हफ्ते के points देख लो.
हाँ, it's okay, but Semenyo के 2 हफ्ते के देख लो ना.
Gabriel के
That was unnecessary, Manan. That was cheap shot. That was unnecessary.
I'm sorry. It
That was
just comes out
unnecessary.
instinctively. It just comes out instinctively.
I absolutely loved it जब हम दोनों सेमेन्यो लाए और पहले मिनट में येलो कार्ड ले लिया उसने.
You broke
Just
him. You
peak
broke him.
FPL. We fucking
And
broke
then
him.
उसका first shot भी off target गया. That was very
मतलब
broken.
how could he not score with every shot? उससे पहले तो कर रहा था.
Anyway, I think the biggest
Oh.
miss जैसे रक्षित and Bhatia have mentioned is Gabriel. Actually, I felt मैं थोड़ा मतलब assist तो मैंने क्या चोपड़ा सर ने भी जो एकदम उसके बहुत बड़े fan है, उन्होंने भी expect नहीं किया था कि वो assist देगा. Obviously, got a lucky assist
Yeah,
and maybe
I was expecting a goal. So
yeah,
you got lucky with the assist.
Thank you. But the plan जो मैं Gabriel लाने वाला था was अगर करता मैं तो वो hit के लिए होता and I would have benched Bruno. So at least Bruno got 8 and then with 8
Absolute
he matched Gabriel.
nonsense. Absolute nonsense. The conversation was, if
The
you want to make one
conversation you
transfer,
brought
it should be
was-
Gabriel. It should be Gabriel. But ये सब ignore कर, ये सब बातें सब ignore करो. आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना, ओ मैं hit के लिए लाता ये भैया
मैं
किसी ने नहीं
बातें
कहा तुम्हें
सब
बोवन लाने के लिए. तुम्हें किसी
भाई,
ने नहीं कहा
बोवन-
बोवन लाने के लिए भाई.
बोवन मेरे को लाना था टीम किसकी है भाई?
तुम्हारा डिसीजन था कि बोवन पहले लाऊंगा फिर हिट लेके गेब्रियल. वो सब हमने कहा था गेब्रियल ले आओ चुपचाप बैठो. और
आप
मैं हिट
मेरी-
लेता
आप-
उसके
अरे
बाद
but
अगर
मेरी
ब्रूनो
बात-
बेंच
you
करता.
You could have got Bowen for a hit, no?
हाँ
No, but my priority was Bowen over Gabriel. No,
बस ये सुनना था ना.
सर शर्म आ रही है, हम
ये तो
इससे
कल ही
हार
बोल
रहे हैं.
चुका हूँ
शर्म आ रही है सर मुझे.
कि आप मेरे से हार रहे हो.
हाँ मुझे शर्म आ रही है. बोवन और ग्राफ.
हाँ इसके आनी चाहिए शर्म इस पे.
कुछ करो उस बारे में. या तो
नहीं कर
delete
पा
करो
रहा ना.
या make better decision.
Guys, I think you should
Anyway.
watch better pods. This is a loser pod. Don't watch us.
Talk about yourself, bro. We are not losers here. Anyway,
I don't wanna say
anyway, coming on to the topic of
You want to go to
FPL.
rank histories. Then Bhatia Saab will kick our asses anyways.
That's why I'm not going there. I'm not even mentioning this.
He's mentioning
And
this
the
season.
haircut.
He's good
And
this
the
season.
haircut. And the haircut. Anyway, I think the defense again, Rodon 1, Poro 1. As soon as I saw Romero was out in the warm-up, I was like, I'm getting nothing from Poro because again, without Romero, मैंने expect भी नहीं किया था clean sheet रखेगी. Rodon, Richards, NDI, I think I should have started probably Richards, at least वो defcons देता है, but Rodon ने भी I expected कि वो clean sheet रख सकता था इस मैच में, but yeah, I think it was a meh week. Going for game week 9 में I have a lot of dilemmas that मैं जो हमारे 2 elite managers हैं उनसे discuss करूँगा. So I think we can move on, Rakshit. We can move on.
Yeah, I think thoughts on Rodon standing up for his teammates and fighting.
Oh yes,
Burnley players
thank
in
you for
injury time.
reminding us.
You were very
I
happy
think-
with that, right?
Yeah, I was. I think that's an important part. That's an important one man army is sort of what I like, and he proved that he can do that. So yeah,
Great.
that's totally off topic.
Once again, guys, if you have just joined the pod, this is not a mistake. It's not a glitch. He indeed does have 2 West Ham attackers in his team. It's not a glitch.
Yeah, it is.
Just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
Okay. थोड़ा FPL relevance इस move का. Sean Dyche is back, guys. It's been absolutely crazy as far as Forest is concerned. Brainless decision to sack Nuno, the guy who got Forest into the fucking Europe. एक ऐसी टीम जो मतलब जिसका सबसे बड़ा ऑब्जेक्टिव था to stay in the Premier League, और उसको सैक करके they got in Ange, which was a complete clusterfuck. And now पूरा स्टाइल चेंज करके Ange के बाद again they sort of are coming back to the very very basics and getting in Sean Dyche. Bhatia Saab, I think this tells me कि the owner is genuinely concerned about relegation. This literally the reason to get Sean Dyche is कि उसको लगता है relegation हो सकता है, and he just wants to secure his status and उसके बाद probably move on now.
Yeah, but I think he's learning from his mistake that sacking Nuno was definitely the wrong call. And उसके बाद the type of manager he appointed in Ange, जिस तरह का squad है, you're supposed to get a manager that maximizes the strength of the squad. And Ange के साथ वो squad just doesn't fit at all. So उसको भी chance नहीं दिया, and firstly wrong appointment, sacked him very soon. And I think getting Dyche is in a way the right move for them, going back to the style that worked, which is a defense first team and play on the counter. And Dyche is known to do that. Everton के साथ ठीक किया था उसने, Burnley के साथ ठीक किया था. So known to organize a good defense. So I think Forest के साथ भी वही करेगा.
Yeah, they have the team for it. I think जो Dyche को जैसी team चाहिए, I feel it's exactly the द टीम जो
Yeah.
उसके लिए है. तो आई एम पर्सनली, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yeah.
Am I stuck?
Unfortunately, yes.
Unfortunately,
okay.
we can hear you.
Yeah, okay. So I just feel ki it's a good move getting him in. I think we'll need to over the period, over a course of time, we'll need to assess ki how do we see Forest as a fixture. But मुझे personally ऐसा लगता है कि Forest at least defensively they'll be quite solid and will be difficult to play against for our attackers. Yeah.
Manan, any standout FPL assets from Forest जो आपको लगता है longer term में will benefit from Dyche coming in?
I think Cells is someone जो मुझे लगता है is gonna be again on the menu, because if you remember थोड़ा सा अगर हम past में जाए तो not the history, rank history, but every time डाइश के अगर आप goalkeepers की बात करो, right, even in Burnley उसका जो goalkeepers I'm not remembering the name now, but he became he sort of was an FPL option जब डाइश was the manager. Even Pickford, right, under Everton में I think Pickford was a good, and I think जैसा इसका style of play, they do concede shots but they concede low quality shots, and that's where I feel Cells might be, because Cells is a quality goalkeeper. Last season हमने देखा उसका potential, and I feel Cells might be the one जो 4.9, again he has dropped in price, could be really good option, let's say, going forward, अगर हमें थोड़ा लगता है कि Forest solid हो रही है, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है he's gonna make saves and he also has a haul potential in him under Sean Dyche. Yeah.
Interesting. I think something to monitor is DEFCONs for Forest center backs and full backs etc. Longer term अगर उनका डिफेंस होता है. सेल्स की पर्सनल फॉर्म थोड़ी पुअर लग रही है यार, मतलब शॉट स्टॉपिंग थोड़ी सी. इवन दैट फ्री किक गोल जो नेटो ने स्कोर किया था इस वीक शुड हैव बीन स्टॉप्ड बाय हिम, सो थोड़ी सी कंसर्निंग है उनकी फॉर्म. बट या इंटरेस्टिंग. सर्टेनली जो मैं आई थिंक सेमेन्यो आई वाज कंसिडरिंग एज माय कैप्टन डिफरेंशियल, एंड अगर होता तो इट वाज जेन्युइनली अ कंसिडरेशन फॉर अस, क्योंकि इतना ओपन खेलती है और अगर वैसे अप्रोच करते अगेंस्ट बोर्नमथ दे वुड हैव स्मैश्ड देम आई थिंक. बट अब थोड़ा सा डाउट है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि बोर्नमथ ऑब्वियसली आर द फेवरेट्स एंड प्रोबब्ली विन, बट विल अ प्लेयर लाइक सेमेन्यो जो बॉक्स के बाहर से कितना इम्पैक्ट कर सकते हैं दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ मैच अगेंस्ट अ लो डीप ब्लॉक, विल ही गेट दैट हॉल? Are we willing to go against Erling Haaland for captaincy? That is something to assess करना होगा, I think. Yeah.
Probably no.
Yeah.
What the fuck is this, man?
Again, so we are podding a little earlier in the week. So these are the projected goals and clean sheet odds from Solio. Again, you have seen this before, so I don't know what was your reaction for, but
You see all this and still get double West Ham attack?
Yes, I do.
Okay,
because
fair enough. Yeah.
where are they? I don't even know where are they, but okay.
सर नीचे से शुरू करो.
yeah, मैं ऊपर ढूंढ रहा था, like. Anyway, let's talk about the, first of all, let's ignore Chelsea and let's talk about Liverpool, because you both have Isak, right? And again, let's go there. Is Isak gonna match Bowen this week? Let's go there. Right. So what do you guys think?
Sir,
like Brentford,
I will you can ask a better question. Will Isak match Krupi Juniors? I'm not sure.
Yeah,
I think Krupi
if you
Juniors
look at Isak,
100%
if you look at Isak की टीम which is Liverpool, उसके ऊपर और नीचे दो टीम्स हैं. एक चेल्सी नाम की टीम है, एक आर्सेनल नाम की टीम है. एक में जाओ पेड्रो खेलता है, एक में ग्योकेरेस खेलता है. एंड आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट कि ईसाक उन दोनों को मैच करेगा.
Only if he starts.
Even off the bench.
नहीं तो 1 पॉइंट कम करेगा.
देखो, someone's gonna get sent off for Chelsea, so could be Joao Pedro again. Gyökeres again, it's a nailed on 2-pointer. So he's gonna match both of them. Yeah, he's gonna match both of them.
And same is gonna be for Bowen. Yeah, he's gonna go.
But Bowen will get the most minutes out of everyone, so you don't care.
Probably,
that is the trap we fall into. अगर थोड़ा seriously बात करें, look at the top 3 teams, right? We like, हाँ यार, we are expecting something from our strikers, but we just don't know who's going to score from these teams.
Yeah, that
Chelsea
is the
कितने
issue.
गोल मार चुकी है over last 4 matches, and कुछ भी involvement आसपास भी नहीं है जॉ पेड्रो का. आर्सेनल की सेम है, right? अगर आप देखो, they are scoring couple of goals every match, and there is no need for Gyökeres की there is no certainty Gyökeres involved होगा. Are they very very central to their team scoring goals? I'm not sure. Liverpool, yes, they hit the post 3 times, but उस तीनों में I think Isak involved नहीं था. Gakpo
Yeah,
could have
yeah.
had like a hat trick. Salah had chances. Isak probably should have scored once himself, but there is no guarantee कि Liverpool, for example, 2.15 goals score करती है कि Isak involved होगा. Therein lies, I think, the major problem. Looking at our assets and strikers, especially from these teams, and that is why we should get Krupi Jr. from Bournemouth.
Yeah, especially if Evan Nilsson is out for long. He's a good pick. He's a fine pick.
But let's broaden thoda horizons. Talk about strikers. Looking at this, looking at the future fixtures, हम तीनों की I think striker problems हैं. तो अगर आप हालैंड को हटा दो पिक्चर से, भाटिया साहब, व्हाट्स योर अदर नंबर 2 and 3 स्ट्राइकर अपार्ट फ्रॉम हालैंड, अगर आप नेक्स्ट
think
3 या 4 फिक्चर्स देख रहे हो तो?
लास्ट वीक से बहुत ही क्लियर हो गया, और इवन प्रीवियस वीक्स अगर आप स्टैट्स देखोगे एंड आई टेस्ट देखोगे, नंबर 2 डेफिनेटली हैज टू बी मार्टेटा. With the amount of chances that he's been getting and missing as well, he should have had way more goals than he has on penalties as well. Number 9 for a team which is in good form, should get top 6 or 7 based on how they're playing. Creates a lot of chances. I think Mateta has become a no-brainer pick, and I know it's easier to say after a hat-trick, but he was always central to their attack, और हमें शायद पहले consider करना चाहिए था. But after a hat-trick and see the sort of game that Palace Bournemouth was, which was an electric game, I would say, probably one of the games of the season as well. So Mateta clear है. Third में काफी options है. Woltemade is pretty hot right now, 4 out of 5 in the Premier League. I think also scored in the Champions League, if I'm not wrong. But Newcastle as an attack, they don't look free-flowing. Visa could be back after the international break. We're not sure about his minutes. We're not sure whether he'll stay on penalties with Gordon on the pitch. तो थोड़े डाउट्स हैं वहाँ पे. एक और ऑप्शन जो हम बात कर रहे थे वो ईगर थियागो. मतलब इज नॉट द मोस्ट ग्लैमरस ऑप्शन, बट अगेन सेंट्रल टू ब्रेंटफोर्ड, व्हाट दे डू, they are very decent at home on penalties, 6 odd million. I think he's like a low risk pick आप ले सकते हो if you want to invest in other areas as well.
Yeah.
Manan?
Yeah, I think I agree with Bhatia Saab. I think वही यही सारे options है. I think I still like Woltemade थोड़ा. I was shocked at the odds. मुझे नहीं लगा था, but 1.9 probably it reflects Anderson शायद injured है maybe इसलिए, because Fulham के against, I know Newcastle अपने home पे, but Fulham also are a team जो बहुत goals नहीं concede करती है. 3-4 तो जाते ही नहीं उनके against. So, but it's 1.9 is a good healthy odds for goals, and I feel, again, if you're buying someone this week, I don't mind Woltemade, but obviously next week's I think Mateta should be a first priority in attack.
True. Genuinely, अगर आपको 3-5-2 या 4-4-2 जाना है, Krupi Jr. is I think
He's
the
a very
best
good, yeah.
third striker to go for 4.5 value. He's going to start. Evan Nilsson अभी तक ट्रेनिंग में नहीं आए हैं, and he's going to get chances. Longer term कितना बड़ा फैक्टर है वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा, बट अगर आपको शॉर्ट टर्म जाना है तो you can do worse than get him. I really like Igor Thiago. मैं भाटिया साहब से अग्री करता हूँ. आई थिंक मैं भी मार्टेटा, थियागो एंड वोल्टेमाडा. आई थिंक दिस विल बी माई टॉप 3. Igor Thiago is so central to everything Brentford do. So it's not about कि कितने गोल स्कोर करेगी ब्रेंटफोर्ड. इट्स अबाउट कि अगर वो करेगी तो क्या उसमें Igor Thiago इन्वॉल्व होगा, जिसका चांस काफ़ी हाई लग रहा है करंटली. जो कंसर्न्स हमारे विद प्लेयर्स लाइक ईसैक, जॉ पेड्रो, ग्योकेरेज एक्सेट्रा है, वो आई थिंक हमारे Igor Thiago में गोल इन्वॉल्वमेंट वाइज नहीं है. दैट इज समथिंग टू कीप इन माइंड. In terms of Woltemada, I am still 50-50 on him. Penalties पे he's only on penalties when Gordon is not on the pitch. Vissa आ रहा है, but I think he's still good for the next 2 or 3. Woltemada, he's gonna start. He is not getting इतने ज़्यादा chances, but he is clinical also. Historically भी है. He's done well for Germany also. He's done well in the last match also. और उनकी जो देखोगे ना 6-yard box के अंदर से सारे shots थे. So he's getting into really good positions. He is also sort of central to their attack. He's the one जो उनका main focal point है. So I think he's a fine option also. But maybe for the next 2 or 3, and I think he's a decent option. But I definitely feel कि we need to talk about players like Gyökeres and João Pedro, जो I think बहुत लोगों के पास है.
And Jared
हमारे
Bowen,
केस भाटिया साहब Isak. Bowen is separate. अभी भी मनन genuine
Yeah,
question यार.
it's just one match. It's just one
apart
match.
from
I'm not taking it.
let's assume कि आप वाइल्ड कार्ड नहीं कर रहे हो एंड लोगों के पास लेट्स से बोवन है, तो डू यू थिंक कि इट्स अ सेल बेस्ड ऑन दैट वन परफॉर्मेंस?
No, not at all.
He is
Not at
Bowen,
all. I
right?
think,
He's a proven Premier League player.
yeah, and again, he's a player जिसके लिए fixtures historically matter ही नहीं करे. Again,
हाँ.
and if you see the fixtures, they are better. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत poor है, but मतलब बहुत अच्छे भी नहीं, but actually अच्छे, and that's the reason I brought him, right? कि they have Leeds, then they have another, I think they have Newcastle and they have Burnley or something, right? Again, अगर आप किसी reason की वजह से आप लाए हो, until unless you want to get Mateta and he's your only route, I feel Bowen is a easy hold. Simple.
Yeah, I think he's a no buy no sell category right now.
Yeah, no.
सर
no,
हम
sir,
लोग
yeah.
आप प्रूवन प्रीमियर लीग प्लेयर्स की बात कर रहे थे. आई रिमेंबर ऑन अ वाइल्ड कार्ड वी गॉट two proven players from a proven club called Liverpool, Isak and Van Dijk. not just proven, I think they had won their first 5 games. They were Premier League champions. And we got their best centre back, good for clean sheet potential, good for goal threat, DEFCON. And we got their main striker who was getting back into fitness and we called his minutes correctly. So proven Premier League player तो कुछ भी नहीं होता, मतलब क्या मिल गया?
True.
Hey,
We got one assist in 3 games.
That's true, but maybe I can assess this better when 3 games हो गए होंगे, right? Is what I
Yeah, I
feel.
think
एक week
Bowen
में
is definitely
can't be reactionary. Minutes secured है. There's a difference. I know Isak के
Exactly.
minute just जितने आपने सोचे थे उतना खेला है उसने, but Bowen is in any condition is a 90-minute man playing up top.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying कि इस सीजन इतना
Yeah.
मुश्किल है प्रेडिक्ट करना because अभी तक
Yeah, true.
सेटल नहीं हुआ है प्रीमियर लीग का टेबल and the way teams are playing and it's just very hard to call. So give your assets, I would say, a chance. और West Ham के fixtures इतने भी बुरे नहीं हैं. They're fine.
Yeah.
So Bowen is definitely a solid one.
Just one question, like United के 1.84 odds and जब हम sort of हम पीछे जो predictions करते हैं, you feel कि actually Brighton might win it, right? Sort of do you disagree with the odds? What's your opinion on that 1.84 United odds?
So यार मैं odds को ज़्यादा मतलब I can't take it seriously. The reason for my prediction was last 7 games that we have played Brighton has won 6, which is shocking, and United has won 1, which was also not at Old Trafford, which was away. So it's a really poor record. Like our record against Liverpool at Anfield is usually bad, but even home to Brighton, they're a team that we've recently struggled against. And honestly, मुझे confidence नहीं है United में. They might end up winning, they might end up scoring a couple of goals, but I'm not 100% confident. And I like to bet against United so that अगर सही हो जाए तो और मजा आता है कि at least team तो जीत रही है. But I think it's a really hard game to call. But if you have your United assets, definitely keep them. Or attacking wise, honestly, ठीक रहे इस बार. Like XG numbers are fine this season. Defensively is more of a concern. अगर आप match देखे Liverpool के साथ भी, they had a lot of chances. They hit the post like 2 or 3 times as well. So defensively is more of a concern, but attack, I think XG numbers are absolutely fine.
If anyone wants to punt on Sesko, Bhatia sahab, no better options, right? In the game.
Didn't even start last.
Try करें better options. अगर United से पहला pick मेरे से पूछोगे तो I would say Mbeumo. And if you are in it for the long haul, you're very patient, then get Bruno.
Yeah.
United.
Yeah.
A few thoughts on clean sheet percentages. I think all the expected, like Wolves at 40% is a bit surprising.
Yeah, it says more about Burnley, I think. Not surprised by the top 3 at all.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Chelsea were extremely lucky to keep a clean sheet against Forest. They were very, very lucky. They should not have kept a clean sheet. अगर आप highlights देखेंगे, you will understand.
They should have lost that game.
Yeah. But Chelsea, Bhatia साहब, अपने home पे and away are 2 different beasts, especially defensively.
Yeah.
कितने matches देखे हमने Chelsea के कि Maresca is a handbrake first manager यार वैसे भी. He will prioritize like a 2-0 over, let's say, 3-1.
Also, it was a weird team, Rakshit, last match, right? It was a very weird team. बहुत मतलब again, no Caicedo and Enzo is huge. I've not seen the play without both of them. Yeah.
They should have lost that match यार. कोई और टीम होती ना decent भी हराए थे. बहुत उसने बड़ा risk लिया and it paid off for him.
Paid off, yeah.
But I wouldn't be surprised अगर Sunderland score also. That's the thing. But I still expect.
Actually, Sunderland are decent, yeah.
Sunderland is quite decent, yeah.
There is only one team जो comfortable हूँ मैं कि clean sheet रखेगी, that's Arsenal.
Arsenal.
I know Palace है, but they are a different beast right now in terms of their defensive basics and fundamentals, numbers, the way they set up, the way they are controlling the games, man. It's very, very impressive. Newcastle अपने home पे are always a good option, especially with Fulham struggling to score goals with Muniz out injured. Jimenez पे कितना trust करते हैं. Once again, when we think about Fulham, it's hard to visualize कि goal कहाँ से आएगा.
Yeah.
तो मुझे लगता है decent chance है. उसके नीचे फिर Bournemouth, decent chance against Forest.
Good to see Leeds there. Either Bowen the score or I'll get a Rodon clean sheet. There's not going to be anything in between.
Yeah, Somerville is scoring. You'll get nothing. Yeah,
He will
Liverpool at
get it. Somerville
29%
लेके
is
आएगा.
optimistic.
Liverpool, yeah. We'll talk about it for like players wise.
Yeah.
We'll talk about in the next section, but yeah.
Okay, nothing more to add. I think अगर आपको defcons लेने हैं तो आपको पता है who are the right defenders. You all know. But clean
But
sheet wise, तो Arsenal is the only reliable.
yeah, but let's say if someone is getting Mateta this week, right? They're projected the lowest. Obviously, they're playing Arsenal away.
Yeah,
That's
of course, yeah.
Would you tell them to wait for a week? Let's say if you have Isak, if you have shit strikers, right? Gyökeres, obviously Gyökeres you won't sell, but just would you make the
Yes.
switch to Mateta or wait for a week?
Wait.
Wait for a week, right?
Wait.
Yeah.
कुछ कोई भी और मैच होता तो मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल सकता था कि चले जाओ यार, बट आर्सेनल अवे इज अ डिफरेंट बीस्ट, टोटली डिफरेंट. या दे आर ऑन इट. रीस जेम्स के बारे में 10 सेकंड्स है मेरे पास कि लुक्ड रियली गुड इन द लास्ट मैच. हम काफी बात करते हैं बट चालोबा प्लेस लाइक कुकुरेला, बट ही इज सॉर्ट ऑफ ओवरलुक्ड. आई फील ही इज गोना स्टार्ट लाइक 90% मैचेस, टेक सेट पीसेस, इज रियली गुड फॉर बोनस, एंड अगर क्लीन शीट भी आती है तो ही विल गेट हॉल्स लाइक दिस.
Yeah.
So he's very comfortable in any tactical setup जो मारेस्का का होता है. So I think probably worth the saving over Cucurella. और मतलब अगर आप चेल्सी फैंस से बात करोगे, they are saying कि हाँ he is getting back to those levels now. And अगर उन levels की आप बात करो, he was like a must have हमारी टीम्स में, right?
Yeah.
So अगर आप चेल्सी डिफेंडर की बात करो तो consider James.
Yeah,
Not a bad
bro. I agree. Fixtures are good.
Right, let's talk about our teams unless कुछ और ऐड करना है. भाटिया साहब, love the 5 at the back.
It's looking so good.
That is
except the Van
partially
Dijk
because
part.
my midfield is so shit. But यार honestly standout picks नहीं है season so far the way it's going. या मेरे पास नहीं है, पता नहीं. Probably the reason my rank is what it is. So I have Pope, decent fixture I would say for a clean sheet. Gabriel Timber.
Yeah, gone. No, I was just about to ask you about Dubravka versus Pope, but I think this week Pope is
good option. I had again not learned my lesson. I didn't consider him again. Home game, I think Newcastle, you have to back Pope. And Fulham are struggling for goals so far. So decent chance of a clean sheet there. Gabriel Timber, I like. Tarkowski, I like this week. Spurs are very unpredictable. They might score, but there's a decent chance of a clean sheet. Plus Defcon dega Tarkowski, which is pretty much assured, I would say. Problem is Van Dijk, very good for Defcon, I'll say for this game. Probably nailed on Defcon, but nailed on conceding 2 goals also. And
I think he hit Defcons in the first half against United. Van Dijk.
He hit it against
defending करनी पड़ी है भाई, इतनी defending करनी पड़ी है.
Yeah. And so defense ठीक लग रहा है. Senesi also home to Forest. अगर Ange manager होता तो शायद और अच्छा लगता मुझे. Defcon guaranteed आते. But I'm not sure about the Defcon. शायद clean sheet potential थोड़ा improve हो गया, but Forest can score. They had a lot of chances against Chelsea. I'll not be surprised if they score. On the counter is the kind of players that they have who are like more suited to likes of Hudson-Odoi and all. So कर सकते हैं. Gibbs White, if he has his shooting boots on, he's a good player. But it's a good game for a clean sheet. Semenyo and Ndiaye, 2 player midfield में खिला रहा हूँ, दोनों पसंद है मुझे this week. Ndiaye on penalties, he was actually very good against City. Could have easily had a 8-9 pointer there. 1 या 2 assist आ सकते थे उसके. Goal threat थोड़ा कम लगता है, very plays, but this sort of game could be high scoring against a Spurs team who have to play in Europe and come back. So I actually like Ndiaye this week. Semenyo's a good pick at home to Forest. Haaland की बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसके बारे में मनन बताएंगे आपको सिटी के बारे में ये हफ्ते. João Pedro, I would say I'm playing him just because of fixture. Form तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. On merit जगह नहीं बनती है उसकी. Same goes for Isak. But then the replacement that I want in the striker position is Mateta. And playing away to Arsenal, I think both of these players are worth playing ahead of Mateta this week, however bad they are in terms of their form. Now my question is, I really want to play Xhaka this week. मेरे को लगता है 4 से 5 पॉइंट आ सकते हैं. 4 पॉइंट तो आ ही सकते हैं. Who do you bench?
Isak.
Van Dijk.
Or Isak, yeah.
I think Van Dijk कर सकता हूँ फिर भी. Yeah.
I still feel Van Dijk still at least he's getting Defcons. I'm not sure Isak
3
is
points.
So
I know Isak is a striker.
Isak will get 2 points. With some
Isak will get 2 points. Van Dijk might be
you also have to see कि Brentford are very good from set pieces, right? Defensively also. So are you expecting this is the game Van Dijk scores a header? Probably not.
That can
Defcons
happen
will
any
get-
game. We don't know. Yeah, that can
Yeah,
happen.
I know,
You
but
can't really predict
it's
the
more of a
goal.
chance against a team like West Ham than a Brentford, right?
But
Or,
Xhaka is like
probability-wise.
ceiling is 4 points this game, I would say. So
Which is
ceiling
enough,
4
which is more than Van Dijk and Isak both.
Which will be double the ceiling of which will double
Of Isak.
Isak, right? Yeah.
Fair enough, but
What
it's the hope that
about
we'll see.
Rangers, Bhatia Sahab? Manan is predicting 3 goals for City against Villa. 3-0
Yeah.
win, by the way.
True,
वो
So
तो हम
surely you play Rangers.
मनन की टीम आएगी देखेंगे. I'm not predicting a 3-0. I actually think it'll be a close game. City will do well to win this game, or Rangers minutes getting subbed and not performing well is like double trouble. So unless he starts a couple of games, plays 90 and does well, I think he's on the verge of being a sell.
एक flip side पे पूछता हूँ, do you think there's a chance कि Rangers is better in some of the tougher matches than let's say some of the easier matches?
I mean, he still plays close to Haaland, right? So you should ideally have
Like
him
he
in
got
the easier
he got
matches,
Defcons
getting more
against
chances.
Arsenal, got an assist. Could happen something similar could happen against Villa also. Villa Park pe he could get Defcons.
You know,
He
the
could
issue
be
is not
involved in some goal assist return.
for me
Could get, but-
personally. The issue is not about Defcons, not about getting a goal. It's about minutes. If he is getting subbed around 60 minutes, is not an option. Very simple. And City, all players are coming back. I just feel Pep is known for rotation, by the way. Although this season उसने इतनी नहीं करी है, right? And but game week 3 onwards, उसके पास players भी नहीं थे to rotate. That we have to understand, right? And I just personally feel if he's getting 60 minutes, even at his price, he's not worth it. That's my problem.
And I think Shorky is back in training as well.
Yep.
Yeah, Chorky is back. Marmoush is back.
Yeah.
Marmoush is back as well. So
Yeah.
So if
Looks
Isak
like
doesn't
a
start, or
maintaining.
if Isak starts in the Champions League as well, then we are worried whether he'll start the Brentford game. I think then I might be forced into a transfer, and I might get someone like a Walter Made or a Thiago. But ideally, you want to get Mateta, but I'm not sure this week is the best entry point with Arsenal. So अगर Isak के minutes ठीक लग रहे हैं, तो might just roll. Otherwise, we'll have to make a decision.
But sorry, one question. Let's say if Isak does start, right? And if you do, let's say Isak to Waldemade or Thiago, are you willing to sell Joao Pedro next week for Mateta, like at any cost?
So, so if I do a move this week which does not involve Mateta, I am taking a hit next week.
Yeah, perfect. That sounds fine. Yeah.
Because I have one free transfer.
Who do Chelsea have after this match? Next two?
Spurs and Wolves.
Yeah.
Spurs and Wolves.
Spurs, Wolves, and Burnley.
Spurs away,
Yeah,
Wolves at home,
still
and
good
Burnley
matches.
away.
But
Yeah.
doesn't
They
matter.
actually have good
He could be like a trap. Joao Pedro has been a
he
trap
could
in the
be.
past. So
I think he has to show some potential this week, like at least
In
a
this
few
week,
shots in the
दिखाना
box.
चाहिए.
He has to look
Yeah.
lively. Return आ गया तो और अच्छा, but he has to show something.
Yeah. Delap is back, I think, in training, so might
Yeah, that is huge.
improve Joao Pedro का थोड़ा सा. But कितने minutes मिलेंगे उसे? I'm still not sure. I don't think I like him as a striker, man. Without Palmer, if he plays as a 10 with some other striker, it's fine. But if Joao Pedro plays as a striker without Palmer, it's a problem for him.
No, but the
getting
thing
the
is,
service.
right? Last match, he did trust Mark Guyu, and I think 50 around minute पे आ गया था, right? If I remember. So if he starts Guyu and then Joao Pedro उसके पीछे खेल रहा है, then I like Joao Pedro again. That's
But he's so peripheral right now in terms of everything. Wherever he plays, it's
But
just
all it takes
we
is
know
let's
the
say-
we know the player. We know the
all
player,
it
right?
takes is
He'll
if
go.
Estevao start, right? Then there'll be a lot of creativity. Estevao ने भी start again last week. It's very difficult to judge Joao
deep
Pedro.
drop करता है Joao Pedro कि पता नहीं चलता कि किस मैच में वो अच्छा कर ले किस में नहीं करे.
Yeah.
He's literally
difficult
playing as
with
a
Joao
number 8, yaar. His position are like a number 8. इतना deep
Yeah.
आता है वो. And
Problem
Sunderland
is
are
he's not
actually a
taking
decent
shots.
defense. Yeah,
He's not taking shots. And आप देखोगे
Yeah.
उसके बहुत fluky goal assists भी आए थे. He scored from set pieces.
Yeah.
Got
He
extremely
was
fluky assists.
overperforming badly.
Yeah. We have to keep that in mind. मतलब
I
there
think
is
this is like the last chance.
absolutely no justification to have him over Mateta from 10.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I would say even Voldemort is better than him.
Yeah.
Easily. Right, easily. Even Igor Thiago was better than him.
Absolutely.
What a
I would say
Newcastle fixture
Krupi
for-
Junior is on
they're
par
good
with him
fixture.
because you can just bench him and boost your midfield.
Krupi Junior is better than Isak.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
Ruby
As a
Junior
player also. Not just in FPL, as a player.
I think Rupi Junior is the best third forward we have right now after
So
Haaland and Martin.
next summer, I'm calling it first. Liverpool to sign Krupi Jr. for 150 million again.
Are you talking about next season or next to next season?
Next season.
Okay.
Nice. Proper 4-3-3. एक ठीक है Isak Krupi Junior front three.
Next to next season तो आपका player आ जाएगा, Yamal आ जाएगा सर.
Oh.
Okay, I think we are going off track now. Let's not go there.
Time to move on.
Yeah. Yamal is going to United. He's going to play wing back. Amad की जगह.
He'll be on the bench. Dallo will bench him.
Oh my God.
I think it's
Dallo.
a good point to go. It's a good
Dallo
time to go to the next
so
team.
bad, Dallo.
Yeah.
So bad. I'm sorry.
It's a good time to go to the next team. Yeah. Let's go. Let's talk about your team, Manan, with the double West Ham attack.
Yeah, I think
So
I'm
you have
not
double
hit-
West Ham attack, and you are predicting a 3-0 win for City and benching a City attacker. But you will say, "Oh my God, minutes are important, right?"
Yep, I will. Minutes are
What
important.
will you get for that? One extra point for that minute? क्या मिलेगा आपको? एक एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट मिल जाएगा आपके
हाँ,
प्लेयर
but
को?
वो मेरे players
At least
30 minutes
55
extra
मिनट में
होंगे,
गोल
तो
स्कोरिंग
it's to
चांस
do
का तो
better.
एटलीस्ट 55 मिनट में गोल स्कोरिंग का तो चांस दो, असिस्ट का तो चांस दो.
सर
वो
आप
तो
खिलाओ.
मिलने नहीं वाला आपको.
आपकी टीम आएगी अभी, आप खिलाना.
जेन्युइन सवाल है, मेरे को जेन्युइन सवाल है. व्हाई नॉट प्ले रेंडर्स ओवर पाकेटा?
I will consider. मैं अभी आया ही नहीं हूँ ना, मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं है. You start
अच्छा, ठीक है, ठीक है.
there are dilemmas, there are transfers, there are benching headaches.
By the way, love your defense this week.
Yeah, I don't. Let me come back out to that. Okay.
Even the
Absolutely
bench
brilliant.
options are really good.
Yeah. Right. I think there is a. By the way, let's come to defense, right? Obviously, don't forget I have one free transfer, and most likely this week it's gonna be a defensive transfer. Whether it will
Based
be
on
Who are you
Gabriel or
getting?
not.
Based
Are you
on
getting
the transfer.
Mavropanos? Mavropanos?
No.
Diouf.
Kilman?
Killman. Yeah. You got it on the second. No. So, any which ways, jokes aside, I am thinking of doing a defensive transfer because I still, without
नहीं, sir.
Romero, I still feel Poro
नहीं.
का नहीं है appeal this week,
नहीं
right?
बनता.
And
नहीं बनता.
मैं
I'm
बोल
sorry to
लूं?
cut you off, but नहीं बनता.
नहीं,
नहीं
you
बनता.
should be sorry and you should not cut me off.
नहीं बनता. I think नहीं बनता है मेरे ख्याल से. One more week.
But
एक और week
honestly-
रुक जाओ बस.
आपका ख्याल पूछा किसने? लेकिन पहले मैं बोल के
एक और week. एक और
But
week रुक
honestly, this is not the week to get an Arsenal defender. Palace are a good team. So wait till game week 10.
That's why.
Arsenal
that's
is
why-
on
नहीं यार.
is in the form of
पहले
his life.
set piece से कहाँ खाती है?
That's
Palace
why.
कहाँ खाती है
That's
set
why.
piece से गोल?
Exactly. नहीं खाती है.
So
That's why.
simple. ये हफ्ते ना Gabriel लाओ ना Mateta लाओ.
तभी I was thinking of another option which is Senesi, which I feel जिसका clean sheet का chance is very good, but it's between Gabriel Senesi and I know Rakshit is laughing क्यों आई ये बंदा,
I'm
but
not laughing.
I'll give you a better option. आप मेरे player
नहीं,
लाना
I
चाहते हो
don't
Van
want
Dijk
a better
लेके.
option. I don't want a
Don't get my players. Get Van Dijk.
But
No.
Manan जैसे रीस
But
जेम्स
that's
sort
such
of
a
player
player.
थोड़ा अपील है इस week.
Yeah. I was also जब आपने बोल you mentioned ना Reece James, I think my mind straight went to कि Reece James is also really good option actually, an explosive option. So there's gonna be a defensive transfer most likely. मतलब मैं वही करूँगा. I don't like my defense at all. I'm actually fine with playing Rodon at home. Leeds have been very good defensively at home, and I'm probably thinking of getting in a one of these three defenders and then benching Paqueta or Pedro Porro, depending upon whoever I want to bench. But because Romero अगर नहीं है, I there's no way Spurs are keeping clean sheet, and if Spurs are not keeping clean sheet, then Porro defcons नहीं देता है, assist potential इतना अच्छा है नहीं. अगर Xavi खेलता है Simmons तो set pieces पे भी Porro नहीं होता है, right? So I think he can easily be benched. Even I'm considering playing Richards over Porro because Richards का at least defcon तो पक्का है ही है, वो defcon हर मैच में देता ही है, right? So that is something I'm considering. But I want to ask you guys now, okay? इतनी देर पहले नहीं पूछा था, but अब पूछ रहा हूँ, which is the again I should ideally get a defender and उसको किसकी जगह खिलाओ and कौन सा defender would you prefer? Obviously Gabriel is the first priority. He should be the first priority. But remember, I'm gonna wildcard game week 10. 100% I'm wildcarding game week 10. So based on that, उसके हिसाब से 1 week के लिए, if you can think of which defender should I prioritize? Bade sab? Gabriel, Reece James or Senesi?
सिर्फ ये हफ्ते के लिए बात करोगे तो
Yeah, सिर्फ this week. I'm wildcarding game week 10. As soon as the deadline hits, I'm wildcarding.
Gabriel.
because I think Palace have more chance of scoring than Forest. Simple logic, but Arsenal is a better defense, as you know.
No, but if this was your team, one defender you have to get. Even Reece James is
Gabriel.
an option. Who would you go?
Gabriel.
I'll do Poro to Van Dijk if this was my team. I haven't.
Why would you do Van Dijk?
It's not my team. But seriously, just forget everything and get Gabriel. What are you waiting
Yeah,
for?
I know.
Get
I
the
should
fuck-
get Gabriel.
Get him the fuck into your team, man.
Get him and
Yeah.
break Arsenal defense. You get him and Arsenal
Yeah.
start conceding.
Break it.
लिख के देता हूँ मैं आपको. Like we broke Semenyo, you'll break Gabriel.
Yeah, so
Manan,
basically,
you yourself mentioned, by the way, इससे पहले कि Gabriel के defcons का भी chance है this week because he's got to mark Mateta. So he's gonna keep heading the ball, heading the ball,
also
heading the ball.
Arsenal have conceded one open play goal like in the 8 game weeks, and they have conceded what 4 or 5 big chances. Where
much
Liverpool
money
have
in the bank,
conceded
huh?
21. I have 1 second. I think I have 2 million. I can do Anderson to Gabriel and play him.
Do it, no brainer.
But again, if to play him over, let's say Poro, you would agree, or a Paqueta, like, or I go for at the back, like, because again, I don't know what to do.
I think both are too
I would-
pointless. Take it.
I would play him over Poro and play Rangers
Rangers
over
over-
Paqueta.
Yeah, something I've considered. Yeah,
Considering your prediction. Not
no,
mine.
I am very high on City this week. Yeah, I
So
feel it
then
will
you-
be
I have
2-0.
I have one more
3-0.
question. So prediction
I
की
don't
जब
like
बात करें
video
मनोज
quick,
चोपड़ा sir, Manan is expecting a comfortable 3-0 win
City
for
win.
City against
2-0
Villa.
2-0
Could
or
happen.
3-0. Yeah.
2-0 or 3. Could happen, could not happen. So one question, Manan, is for foolish managers like me and Chopra Saab who have not yet played their triple captain. You think Haaland करना चाहिए after triple captain?
It's a difficult one, यार, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है personally triple captain that was my thinking as well कि जब midweek matches start हो, right, obviously Champions League भी है, but let's say जो 12, 13, 14 वाला run है, right, that is where I feel थोड़ा I'm expecting rotation. Villa again, अगर ये Villa home पे होता, I've been more comfortable in triple captaining, but away I don't think so because Villa अपने home पे they have past seasons में they've been really really good, right, and although इस season मुझे उतना दिखा नहीं उनका, they've been defensively fine. It's just I trust City more, that's why I'm going with that sort of a prediction. But I personally see at least minimum one goal that I can, but in my opinion it will be a brace for Haaland personally. So again, if you feel if it's gonna be a brace for Haaland, I don't mind triple captain. The form he is in, you can triple captain genuinely against any opposition because he's getting chances. Yeah, he's getting chances, so it's not a bad shout. Again, हम एवर्टन के बारे में भी यही बात कर रहे थे last week, right? कि is it a good like option for triple captain? But and again, he scored a brace. He could have had a hat trick. He scored a brace. So again, I just feel कि you can Haaland जितना वो अभी hot है, just use your triple captaincy if you feel comfortable with the fixture. But going back to my team, I think Rangers over Paqueta is something I'll consider, and I'll probably get Gabriel and play him over Poro. Yeah.
But since you're sure of wildcarding in 10, I know Gabriel is a solid pick. Clean sheet chances काफी अच्छे हैं. Don't you feel like taking an attacking punt, targeting a team which are struggling?
The only one I feel like is Reece James, who is a very very high upside. But the thing is, again, Gabriel with DEFCONs, with his header potential, and with the clean sheet prospect, right? He can, again, Gabriel is a
I think the best attacking pick this week might be Gabriel again. So
this season is Gabriel. I feel this season again, considering uska DEFCONs bhi unleash hua, and again he can score in any match. It's
bonus,
not
clean sheet,
yeah, he's good for
goal,
both.
everything.
Yeah. Every set piece he's the target of the headers, and उससे लग के भी अगर कोई मार रहा है तो भी उसका असिस्ट मिल रहा है उसको, just in case वो नहीं स्कोर कर रहा है.
एक लास्ट फ्लिप क्वेश्चन आपके लिए कि कंसीडरिंग हमने कंसीडर ही नहीं किया था डुब्राव का लास्ट वीक, डू यू थिंक सेल्स इज समवन यू आर नॉट कंसीडरिंग इन दिस मैच, कंसीडरिंग कि ही कैन गिव यू सेव पॉइंट्स, शॉन डाइश आ चुका है एज द मैनेजर, सो
I've thought about it, but it's just too soon. मेरे को लगता है फर्स्ट गेम है, इतना टाइम है नहीं उसके पास टू इंस्टिल हिज फिलोसॉफी, बट आई स्टिल फील लॉन्गर टर्म, मतलब अब वही है कि अगर लेट्स से इफ आई वाज वाइल्ड कार्ड इन गेम वीक 12-13, आई वुड हैव अ बेटर आइडिया ऑफ फॉरेस्ट कैसा करती है, 3-4 मैचेस का सैंपल साइज होता. बट इफ समवन इज गोइंग विद सेल्स ऑन अ लेट्स से 12 वाइल्ड कार्ड, 13 वाइल्ड कार्ड या इवन 10, आई डोंट माइंड इट एक्चुअली, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है पर्सनली कि improve तो होगी Forest, right? And they have to improve because otherwise they'll get relegated. And I think Sells will be a huge part. He'll play a huge part in that, yeah. But not this week. I think Dubravka has a good chance of at least saves and outside chance of a clean sheet, yeah.
एक और सवाल, don't you think you should play Richards ahead of Rodon, considering you have two West Ham attackers and Richards has a better, almost nailed on DEFCON potential? Both will concede, according to you. So
yeah, but the problem is West Ham are so bad at the set pieces, right? I feel Rodon has a good header in him. वो हर matches में he's taking a couple of shots.
वो बात तो
I
है.
think this match could be the one जहाँ पे Rodon अपने home पे भी है, right? And last time last two matches में at home, I think he had 2-3 shots per game. So मतलब वो actually बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है set pieces पे. So that is the only thing where I'm thinking clean sheet prospect भी है, set piece header भी है. Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's quicken things up. Go to my team. I also have a West Ham player. गाली तो बहुत दी है मनन को मैंने for having two, but I also have one. Should not be overlooked. So, who is Lucas Paqueta?
And that was your last minute pick on wildcard.
I was so proud of it. Oh भाई देखो मैंने क्या ही 3 मार दिया है. मैं immediately news आई कि हाँ भाई Ange is in and Nuno is in West Ham, तो ले आते हैं एकदम. Paqueta
By the
will
way,
become a great option.
I also have a West Ham midfielder who started this week. 4.4
Irving.
points.
Irving, I saw.
We're all West Ham fans on this pod.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So happy with the defense. I really have a good feeling about Everton assets. NDI was electric against Man City. I think kabhi loss maybe you need to see underlying performances players ke, and he was brilliant. And against Tottenham, I feel he can do really well at home. Really well. So happy with NDI. Tarkovsky मुझे लगता है एक decent DEFCON plus clean sheet potential है. Header possibility अगर let's say Romero नहीं है तो I think he's a good option for this week. Double Arsenal defense. Nick Pope is there. Semenyo, João Pedro, I think I'll hold this week for sure. आगे assess करना होगा. I think I'll play Paqueta. It's still a promoted team.
Yeah.
He's still on penalties. He still was kind of close to DEFCONs. I think he's fine. कुछ सोच के लाए थे तो मुझे I'll still play him.
He still plays for West Ham.
He still plays for West Ham, yeah. True. Haaland is Haaland. Concerns are Rangers and Isak. जैसे बहुत बार पॉइंट आउट हम कर चुके हैं. रेंडर्स इज फाइन फॉर मी क्योंकि एक तो बाय द वे मेरा प्रेडिक्शन वाज अ विला विन, सो मैं तो बिल्कुल मुझे बहुत डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल लगा द वे मनन स्पोक अबाउट विला. आई नो सिटी पे वो बहुत हाई है बट मैं
now we have a Villa fan.
Yeah. I think Villa at home
he's always
are
carrot and
not
blue.
They are not easy to beat at all. Even अगर आप देखोगे उनके performances initially where they were unable to score goals and all, वो अपने home पे they've been good, right? They were I think 10 men against Newcastle, held out for a draw. ये सब चीजें भी हुई थी उनके साथ. Villa Park पे Unai Emery team are difficult to beat, I feel. So 3-0 loss for Villa is something I don't see coming. I feel Villa have a good chance to beat Man City also. City also are a team जो मैं away from home इतना rate नहीं करता हूँ. I'm not that convinced by City. I think अपने home पे they're good. I think Haaland is still the standout captaincy क्योंकि if City score, Haaland scores. I feel कि Rangers is someone I can bench. If I bench him, I'll probably bench him over Xhaka.
Yeah.
So Xhaka will coming. Xhaka is I love this player. I don't want more than 4 point ही चाहिए. 4 point देगा.
Would you not then start with your prediction, Rakshit? Start Xhaka or Rangers?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So that's a chance जो हो सकता है. तो sort of bust team थी. I
So
might
are we
make a
rolling as well?
transfer. I might make a
whatever
transfer,
we
remove Isak. Might remove Isak. So मेरे लिए on the menu this week is Voltemada or Igor Thiago. I genuinely might remove a Liverpool player and get a Brentford striker in.
Who's playing
I might.
Liverpool? Yeah.
Again मैं longer term moves देख रहा हूँ. मुझे नहीं चाहिए Isak longer term. I don't want him.
He's a sell.
Yeah. So João Pedro again अगर इस मैच में नहीं करता है, although I think फिर भी हमें काफी एविडेंस मिल गया है. I'll probably go Mateta over João Pedro also next week, irrespective of probably what he does in this match.
Yeah.
Romero will be on the bench. I think उनका इतना बड़ा इंजरी नहीं है, but he's still a sell for me probably next week for someone like either a Calafiori or maybe a Munoz, or I might just sell him this week and get in like a Reece James. ये भी possibility है. have to think about it.
Again, long-term Reece James is a fine pick unless he gets injured, because Chelsea के fixtures are really good for the next 6
He's
8
looking
weeks.
really good now. He's looking
Yeah.
really good now. अगर आप performances भी देखोगे जाके etc. He's looking really good. Chelsea will keep random clean sheets. They are still इस week भी one of the highest rated defenses, and overall भी अगर आप longer term देखोगे they will keep clean sheets in matches जहाँ आप expect नहीं भी करोगे. He's fairly attacking. He's insane for bonus also. Reece James on bonus is always insane. He takes direct free kicks, कुछ indirect in corners as well, depending on Enzo खेल रहा है नहीं खेल रहा है, etc.
His deliveries are
Yeah,
insane.
I think he's probably just about. He's probably worth it over Cucurella price wise.
Yeah, I agree.
He's in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even mind triple Arsenal defense though. The way they are looking, that's also an option. I'm sure someone will have it. Triple Arsenal.
Very, very.
It does
lethargic
lock you out.
offense.
Yeah, it does lock you out of other players like Saka. That's about it, Saka.
And Saka.
But
And Saka.
yeah, and Saka. Yeah, but yeah. So ये है. अगर वही देखो अपने टीम में कि कौन से प्लेयर्स आपको ट्रबल कर रहे हैं, you want to remove them. Though these are some of the options. Genuinely feel कि Igor Thiago इस संबंध मुझे पसंद है longer term. I like his involvement, goal involvement. He is the third highest forward point scorer in the game, 1 point behind Joao Pedro. So if you look at his fixtures, they're mixed, but again, Brentford have surprised people this bar, and I think they'll continue to do well, especially with their reliance on set pieces. And Manan, you saw the match. Igor Thiago could have had a hat trick, right?
Oh my God, he was a target on most set pieces, every cross, every ball. He was so central. It reminded me of Ivan Toney, right, when he was playing for Brentford, and he was so explosive. Exactly and he's so good with his feet. He has a really good finish on him. He's great, really good shot. I think he hit the bar twice. He scored an offside goal. I think something around
Yeah.
that. So again, he was very, very good. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the plan. सोचना पड़ेगा, काफी चीजें हैं to consider. Would you guys prefer, let's say, Isak to striker transfer this week, or would you say Romero to like a Reece James sort of a transfer this week? क्या prefer करोगे आप लोग?
I think
But
Isak
Romero
has to
to
go.
no, wait. Romero to a Reece James and bench who? This is my first question.
Reinders.
Isak.
No, Isak, right? Yeah, that
Probably
is what.
probably will be Renders, man. Probably will be Renders, I think. Bench Xhaka and Renders both in that scenario.
I personally
क्योंकि
feel.
Xhaka भी आपको 4 पॉइंट देगा. उससे
I
ज्यादा नहीं देगा,
personally
right?
feel. I personally feel you should, again, because let's say if Joao Pedro scores this week, right? Let's say, because we are talking hypotheticals, and let's say if you do Isak to Thiago, I don't know where we will get Mateta from, because then you'll have the important bit is to get in Mateta, and if you can wait for a week, I'd suggest you to remove Romero and get in Reece James or a Calafiori, whatever, wherever you want to go, and probably bench Isak or Rangers. But because next week, nahi you'll struggle to get in Mateta if Joao Pedro scores, and Joao Pedro and Chelsea have the highest odds of scoring this week. Don't forget that. So again, just keep your options open and the position open is what I feel. In your situation.
Elite advice from an elite manager.
Yeah. Something to think about.
Something
Okay.
that actually
ये है हमारे.
Yeah.
मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना. Yeah.
I know.
So I think that's about it. Drop your transfer queries in the comments below.
And the comments on haircut. Yeah.
And
Absolutely.
the comments on Bhatia Saab's elite haircut.
And him looking अगर yeah बोलो
नेक्स्ट वीक का प्रीव्यू मैं अभी बता रहा हूँ. ये हफ्ते का पॉड देखो मत देखो, नेक्स्ट वीक का आपको जरूर देखना है. एलिटेस्ट मैनेजर विल बी ऑन वाइल्ड कार्ड. आपको इतने आइडियाज, इतने टिप्स, इतने ट्रिक्स मिलेंगे. यू श्योरली डोंट वांट टू मिस दिस. सब्सक्राइब बटन दबा दीजिए.
Probably I'll just copy my favorite FPL content creator Rakshit Chopra, which you'll find him on this channel.
If you want to see triple West Ham attack on a wild card, please do join in.
I'll do this. I'll do that if you like. If you get us, like, we should have a target or something, and if they reach it, I'll do that. No, I won't sacrifice my season. I'm sorry. Yeah.
You already did that, man, when you got in a double West Ham attack.
We'll see. Time will tell, Jupri sir.
Yeah. नहीं, मेरा मतलब है आप सेकंड आ जाओगे, फर्स्ट नहीं आ पाओगे. That's my only thing in the game. यही चांस आपका फर्स्ट आएगा. जो जा चुका है. Oh god.
And I
Anyways,
think we are around the 60 minutes
we
mark.
are
so let's
hitting the
just-
hour mark, so I think it's
Yeah.
enough.
That's more than what Reinders got last week, so I think we should wrap up.
We don't want कि Renders को 2 point मिले, so keeping that in mind, दोस्तों, let us wrap up the pod. Like, comment, and we'll see you next week. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. Take care. All the best.